Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So apparently I'm on a twinning kick because this is going to be me transforming my grandmother into myself. So this was inspired a long time ago actually when I saw, you guys probably heard of this if you didn't, a makeup artist named T Flago did a makeover on her 80-year-old grandma, which was like totally crazy, and I'm like, my grandma is fucking awesome. She would totally do this. So lots of time passed and finally I'm like, we gotta do this. Like, we really gotta do this because this would be really fun. She agreed to do it. So that is what this video is going to be, my grandma's extreme makeover. Because she doesn't wear a lot of makeup. She really doesn't. I'll show you guys like before and after how she wears her makeup, which I think she looks most beautiful because that's how I'm used to seeing her, and then how I transform her into me with like brows and all. And you guys are gonna have to watch till the very end to see my grandpa's reaction when we're all done because it's so funny. Anyways, also if you guys love this look, I just filmed a tutorial on it this morning. So once it is up, I will tag that in the description or up here on the corner somewhere where you guys can check this summer inspired look out that's all like basically bronzer and the best set of natural looking lashes that I have used to date. I love them. They're mink, they're so soft, they look so natural, but I talk about all that in the video, so I don't want to spoil it. So anyways, if you guys want to see how I did an extreme transformation makeover twinning challenge on my grandma, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so we definitely started this whole look out with a good base of skincare. So here I'm just using an under eye serum, and I used that and just really massaged everything in good. And then here I'm just making my little skincare cocktail that I do. If you guys want to see more on skincare for skin types, I will post that above in the right hand corner so you guys can click on that and check it out. But I just really gave her a really good massage just to work in all of this skincare so that we would have a really good base of foundation after. Okay, and then we went in with the color Olive 1, and watch how I warm it up on the back of my hand, you guys. This is absolutely key to not have your foundation shift and settle in the fine lines around your face, because this will prevent you from putting on too much product. So you're gonna get just enough for coverage, but not so much that it's gonna warm up and shift on your skin. So we did that, and I just kind of put it all over her face and then went and pressed it in with a sponge. This sponge, you guys, is not the best, and I definitely would recommend trying out the Blenderful from Limelight. I will link that below because it's my favorite, hands down. So now we're just going, I went in and prepped with concealer on her eye, and I'm just setting it with the sponge. Just setting it all in place, not using too much powder, but we just don't want that concealer to shift. And then I'm going in with this, what would you call it? It's like a creamsicle color, just to get a really good base for all the colors. You guys, we're gonna put on so many colors, it's not even funny. So we're just getting that base prepped and just doing everything I do to the top, I do to the bottom. Okay, so now I'm going in with this darker kind of rusty orange color, and you guys just stay with me here because I know you're gonna think pretty soon, oh my god, what is she doing to her grandma? Right here, I was like, oh god, I'm gonna lose them. But no, just hang tough because this is all gonna come together. I promise you it's all gonna come together. And then I'm just going in with this kind of rosy shimmer color. I don't want too much glitter on her, but this is just a nice pop of shimmer. And then just blending it in around the tear duct area. And then, oh wait, no, we're doing more blending. I told you I was gonna put a pile of eyeshadow on. Because this isn't a Shirley Hartman look, this is a Jamie Swan extra look. So we're just going back in with that kind of rusty color and just deepening everything, making it super smoky. Oh, here I'm going in with that darker burgundy color so that we're really starting to see, like you're really starting to see, a smoky, crazy. It's getting worse before it gets better, you guys, I promise. Just really stay with me here. Okay, now I'm going in with this kind of gold glitter, and I'm just putting it on the very center of her eye just to give it dimension, because it was looking really flat and just like one color. So this is gonna give it, yeah, just give it some more dimension. So I did the same thing to the top and the bottom. And then I'm going in with the black and a liner brush, and this is what we're using for her eyeliner, and I'm just tapping it on her waterline. It's so crazy, you guys. Like, I would never trust anybody with a brush this close to my eye, and the people I do makeup on are so trusting. Like, I am very close to your eyeball with this brush. Anyways, so this is where you start to see that it transforms. See? Now you're seeing it. Okay, now we're just going to go and blend this out a little bit more, because you can never blend too much. And then the brows, you guys. Oh God. We had to start from scratch because, like I always say, I have 10 brow hairs. My grandma has 4. So it just runs in the family here. So we are just creating our own brows. Yeah. So there we go. Just trying to make the Jane brow on Grandma Shirley here. Yep. That's where she was pretty shocked when she looked at herself. Okay, and then we're just going and cleaning everything up and giving her a very high arch, because that's kind of signature in my brow. And then that just highlights it, cleans it, everything, you guys. This is like my, yeah, look at it. Boom. There are her brows. My grandma has the darkest brows that I have ever seen her have in my life. Anyways, okay, so now we're going in with the Kat Von D concealer to highlight and clean up under her eye. And I think at about this point she had thought that I'd really flipped my lid. I don't know. We had some good laughs, really lots of good laughs creating this look. It was so fun. Okay, so then to blend it all in, I just went back in with the blending sponge and just kind of pressed it in. But for under the eye, just wait, I'm getting ahead of myself here. For under the eye, I used the 40HD Sigma Kabuki brush, and I just kind of switched back and forth between this and the sponge. And I just really like this 40HD brush and the sponge together when I'm working on clients. I think it works really well. And now, oh my gosh, we contoured her so much. So now I'm just going and adding half of my Tarteist Pro Glow highlight and contour palette on her face, because Jamie Swan is a brown mama jamma and my grandma is not. So we're just darkening the shit out of her right now. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here we go, just adding more and more contour. Contour her nose. Yeah, there's so much contour. And then this is blush number 4. Love this blush, you guys, because it goes so good with those trendy warm eyeshadows from the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. Love this. And then I just took that big brush and just kind of blended everything together. And popping some highlight on the tops of the cheekbones and the inner corners of her eye. And then before we started with her makeup, I gave her a haircut. So if you guys keep watching, I'm gonna post like before and afters of what her hair looked like before and how we cut it. So I'm just giving her some like awesome volume with the flat iron curls. You guys, I'm all about the flat iron curls. And this, while I was rewatching it, I thought this was so funny, and I never noticed this when we were chatting and doing her hair, but she barely opens her eyes at this point because I had put on the biggest plush full set of lashes that I owned, and she could barely open her eyes. She couldn't open her eyes. So here you see her like kind of blink, and then she puts her eyes shut again. So when I was rewatching this, I laughed my ass off at that. So anyways, just going and putting a whole bunch of volume in. Oh yeah, I'll tell you guys what I was laughing at the end of the video. And then yeah, back combing, because you can never ever be done a hairstyle if you haven't put back combing in it. That is the rule. That's my rule. Okay, are you guys ready for this? Here comes the before haircut. Yeah, a little bit of length there. And then this is what my grandma normally looks like and how I think she looks the best. And then the process and the after. Boom. So what do you guys think? Twinning or what? Are we twinning?
Oh, wow. This is what it is now, but my eyes won't stay open because the eyelash isn't so in. I look creepy?
They said if she wore that makeup all the time, she'd have to be extra friendly because she kind of looks bitchy. What did you guys think of that? My grandpa's reaction at the end? Like just smiling. I don't know what I still don't really know what he thought. Anyways, my kids were like, Grandma, you need to take your creepy brows off. So I was like, if you want to take your makeup off, that's okay. I'm not offended, but you wore it all day. So yeah, anyways, if nothing else, give this video a thumbs up because my grandma is an awesome sport. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the little bell because then you get notified when new videos go live. And yeah, that's everything. Stay tuned for the next video, you guys. I'll see you later.